Hey everyone, welcome to Guide on How to Block Someone on iPhone Without Them Knowing. Let's dive right in. Sometimes you may need to block someone's calls or messages discreetly. While complete invisibility isn't guaranteed, there are steps you can take to minimize detection. First, open the Messages app on your device. Next, open the conversation with the person you wish to block. Tap on the contact name or number at the top of the screen. Then, select Info from the options that appear. Scroll down and choose Block this caller. A confirmation message will appear asking you to confirm your choice. Tap Block Contact to confirm and prevent further communication from this person. Remember, blocking is a tool to protect your privacy. If the situation escalates or you need additional support, reach out to trusted friends, family, or authorities. This version maintains clarity and provides step-by-step instructions for discreetly blocking someone's calls or messages while emphasizing privacy and seeking support if needed. And there you have it. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share if you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching.